Hi everyone, this is Storm GLD, right? So now I'm showcasing a folding knife from Real Steel. Okay, this one supposedly is called the Sidus, Real Steel Sidus, SIDUS. It's a beautiful knife for everyday carry. Let's go straight into the knife. You have this beautiful moon grow shred carbon material. You can see from here, it's beautiful. I'm going to test out for this moon grow. So you just got to shine it sufficiently, then later I will just switch off the lights to have a feel. You can see there's some green glow already. It's actually absorbing the lights. Okay. It's beautiful. You see? Right. Can you see the glow? Okay, so I'm now going to switch off the lights. Give me a moment. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Can you see that? Oh my god, it's awesome. Hope my camera can take the video nicely. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay. By the way, this spinner is a titanium spinner. It's also from Real Steel. It's very interesting. It's very cool. It's fun to play with. Alright, let's take a look at the knife. Okay. It's supposed to be a D2 blade. You can see that. Okay. I'm just started my collection, so I like those very unique looks. Okay, I have some other knives on the way, so I can showcase to you all. Hope you all help like and subscribe. Okay, let's do some tests to the blade. Not bad. Anyway, can be sharpened further. Okay, as for the weight, it measures 4.2 ounce. Okay, as you all can see, the knife is around 8.5 inch, right? So when enclosed, it sits around 4.5 inch, thereabout, right? Roughly about 4.5 inch. Okay, please help like and subscribe. This is a beautiful knife. Please help like and subscribe, and see you guys again.